Don't know how this video is going to turn out or how loud it is, but I figure I would name this video Satan's Lawnmower. So I'll ride the four-wheeler down to the machine and we'll see what it looks like. So see how this does. This is the result of it. Clearing off the land. This farm has not been dealt with in 15-20 years, and it's just been allowed to overgrow. The dog don't move, it gets ran over. I'm calling it Satan's Lawnmower. Not sure what kind of bushes it was. Possibly sumac or something like that. Don't really care, they are way overgrown. I got about 10-12 hours. I've probably already cleared an acre and a half, 2 acres. Lord help us. That thing will eat a 10-inch tree. You nip it off high and it'll just walk right down through it. To try to get past him and go down the trail, I already did. You can kind of see there where it's been overgrown and all this. I just came down through here yesterday. This all looked like the rest of it. Hope I don't get a flat tire. Get a good example of, see, that's what it was looking like. Came down through here. Uh-oh. Got something in the tire. Oh, hooked the vine. But that's what it looked like. Where am I at? Is this the bottom? Oh heck, this is the bottom, okay. Yeah. This looked like that yesterday. All this will be gone by the end of the day. There's some of the destruction. Anyway, I'll throw some more of the video up and some finished shots of it later. Got to stay out of the front of this thing. Now just straight back. Don't want to get out in front of those blades. It's going to take years to clean this mess up, but it'd take longer to cut it all down and do it. Go! Alright, we'll put some more on. I'll check out the progress later. Alright, here is a close-up of Satan's lawnmower. It's called the forestry cutter, Bobcat's forestry cutter. And I'll tell you, I just cleared about 3 acres and I was taking stuff well over 6 inches with no problem, and things up to 10-12 inches, you just work them down. And in some areas you just take and put this thing on the ground and drive forward and it just takes out everything in its path. It makes a hell of a mess, but man, it cleans good. So yeah, I just opened up several acres. So anyway, this is one awesome machine. And I only broke it 3 times. So blew a hose, threw a track, and bent something. So it's not even their biggest machine. They have one, I think the guy said it was an 800 series, and it's got a bigger cutter on the front and it just chews away. So but yeah, this is just an awesome machine. It didn't have a problem knocking anything down, that's for sure. So I got to give her the scrub down and then I'll send it back to them tomorrow. But I'll do some videos on some of the aftermath and cleared areas. So anyway, there you go, Satan's lawnmower. Thanks a lot.